Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recording a video call on WhatsApp with audio included. So this is an easy process to do. The only thing you need to do is doing what I'm doing right now. What is recording the screen of your phone. You are here in WhatsApp. Like you need to activate your recording or screen record right here. But if you don't have in your phone the screen record, the only thing you need to do is go to Play Store, and here in Play Store you can search application for a screen record. You search a screen recorder, and you can download any one of that applications for record it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.